guys, I have a little squishy haul from Five Below. You know how much it cost me? $20. Let's get into it. So first up, we have this Sugar Swaps cube. Do you have any scissors? I need scissors. 1 second. I have the scissors, and I have the cube. So now we're gonna cut open the cube. No, I'm kidding. I would never do that to my baby. It's literally whatever. You'll understand. You guys know how I have those babies? Those are 2 Sugar Swaps. Then this is another, and then I have 3 more. They're a pack. And yeah, let's squish it. Whoa, it feels like the Neato Nice cube. Next, we have a Squishmallow Sugar cube. I'm excited for this one. I'm actually really excited for this because these have been really viral. And all of these I found at Five Below. When I go to that specific Five Below, it is the best Five Below. They always have dumplings and stuff. I never have Neatos, but whatever. Ooh, it feels so good. I really like that. Next, I have more Sugar Swaps. Like I said, they come in a pack of 3. So, let's open it. Oh my goodness, these bunnies are so cute. Oh, okay. I got them out of the bunny. Okay, whatever. Nobody cares about them. Oh my goodness. Time to get them out. They're so cute. Okay. I got blue. I got purple. Purple. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I got a greeny meanie. So, let's squish greeny meanie. It's so good. I need to speed this up. Purple Murple, Bluey Gooey. Last, I have this Bushmark pickle. And the video is about to end, but I'm so happy. It's a real RMS brand. I'm going to take the air out because it has so much, but I love you guys. Have a good day. Bye.